Hey, hello, Jeff here. Been having a ball with the Ford trucks, the blue and the green one. Also with that Mustang we refurbished in the last video. But here's what this video is about. Got a Jag that came in, and I think 1650. I think I may have been the only bidder on it. And it's got all the decals on it, back bumper. Looks like both the wings are broken off there. So I was just a bit ago looking for some parts, and I know that I had a chassis. I touched it to the transformer just a second ago. It sparked a little bit, but it did not run very well. Grabbed some tires. I got some hubs that we refurbished with the Molotov chrome, so those will look good. I know we needed an axle, some screws, and I got some bumpers over there. So the first thing is to get this thing cleaned up. I'm going to get some warm soapy water. I've got my toothbrush ready to go. Let's just go ahead and see if we can get this thing cleaned up, looking a little bit better. All right, Jaguar just had a bath, and I got them decals off, guys. Scrubbed it up pretty good, looking not too bad. Boy, I tell you what, I was just thinking about it a second ago. I was walking out of here with it, and I thought for sure I had a yellow Jag, but I don't. I got a yellow vat. So now I bought this thing for the sole purpose of putting it on eBay, but since I don't have one, and I think it's going to come out really good, I'm having a hard time knowing for sure if I'm going to put it on eBay or not. So let's see how it comes out. Okay, good. First off, we got to get the bumpers off. I thought originally about just changing the back bumper, but both, just make them both, and they'll be equally as nice when we get them done. So the little flashing on the nubs there where they put the hot knife to it, we just got to get an X-Acto knife and cut those off. I'm going to need 2 hands for that, so let me go ahead and get after that. I'll do it right now. Jag looked kind of funny without the bumpers on there. With minimal effort, you just cut the flashing off, you push them out, and they just pop right off. So let's do this. Just to finish the body up real quick, I'm going to go ahead and put on the front and back bumpers. Boy, I tell you what, look at that, huh? Look at that. I mean, isn't that just night and day difference with the new bumpers on there? Wow, look at that. Okay, good. We have to get after the chassis. Again, I know it sparked up a little bit, but did not run very well. It might just need a cleaning. Let's go ahead and tear it apart. Good, got it torn apart. First thing I noticed is the bottom of the com plate. Boy, completely black. The brush springs, it looks like they've got a lot of gunk on them, so we're gonna clean that up a bunch better. I'm gonna take the back axle out, take the shoes off. Let me go ahead and get that next. All right, got the shoes off and everything, and the bottom of the chassis there looks like we're gonna have to use the wire brush on the Dremel there. And I took the back axle out. It looks like it's got some oxidation or rust on it. We'll take the Dremel to that, and the shoes. Definitely the bottom of the com plate. We need to clean the brushes, and just putting your finger on the brushes and rubbing them on the paper there, real easy, quick way to clean it. Surprisingly, crown gear, I don't see any fur on it. Odd. Okay, so let me get to cleaning, guys. Okay, I think I get everything clean. Got the shoes, the brushes clean, the brush springs. I got the bottom of the chassis clean, the com plate. Just got done doing the axles there. The springs, I went and got rid of the other springs. They were they weren't right. They were too small. They were like AFX springs. They weren't right for the T-juts. So time for some reassembly, guys. I just put the clamp on, and I turned on the transformer a second ago. Let's see if it actually runs instead of just sparks. Oh yeah, that's what we want. That's what we want. That sounded good. Okay, great. All right, we are definitely gaining on it. What do we got to do now? Put the screws on, the guide pin in. I've been oiling it as I'm doing refurbishing here. So we are just about done. Let me go ahead and get those screws in the body there. All right, good. Just got the screws tightened up. Boy, even the bumpers in the bottom there, they just look good. I mean, doesn't that thing look good all the way around? I mean, really looks sharp compared to what we had. Track time, guys. Track time. Let's go ahead and get on the track and see what we get. Okay, helps if you pull the right controller. Oh, wow. There we go. There we go. Smooth, too. Boy, look at that. Look at that. Boy, that's what you want. Now, I'm going to, again, have a hard time putting this thing on eBay. I didn't realize, in my head, I kept thinking, I got a yellow one. I know I got a yellow one. You know, 16 bucks, I can turn this thing. I know I can turn it. And then I don't have a yellow one. So now I'm going back and forth. Should I sell it? Should I keep it? What should I do? All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That was a fun one. We got some more stuff coming up. Good. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe, like, share my stuff. I appreciate it when you do, guys. And if you have any comments, let me know. I get back with you as quick as I can. And again, I always say this, if you need anything, again, let me know. I'm here for you. All right, guys, see ya. Have fun. I tell you what, I'm really torn. I don't know if I should have did that. I put it in the collection. I don't know if I should have did that. It might not come out. All right, see you guys.